Ozoemelam AE is now teaching geography and the topic for today is Nigeria, some aspects of Nigeria, which will cover only way to sketch Nigeria, because students always are expected sketch of Nigeria, position. The position of Nigeria is location, and possibly landmass. Let us take the 3 points. For easy sketching of the country Nigeria, there is a system adopted which makes it easy for students not to waste much time trying to draw and erase. The approach we have is when the student has a question which requires the sketch map of Nigeria, which is likely to be compulsory somehow, you put 3 dots, 4 of them of equal space. If I may take this as number 1, this is number 2, number 3, number 4. 1 to 2 dots. You use straight line from number 1 dot to number 2 dot. Put straight line. Number 2 to number 3, you divide it into 2. The first half will be curved. Number 2 to number 3, you put curve. Number 3 to number 4, the first half of 3 to 4, straight line, while the other will be a curve, terminating in Sokoto area. You divide this into 2, have a straight line. From half this, there will be a curve, for we have the anticline aspect of fold down fold. Here, of fold down fold, of fold. You go into the chart in the northeast of the country, coming down your 7, carve out Old Cameroon, you come from Lagos area. Therefore, then before you go to the swamps, that may take a student only a minute, because he has an approach to this. If there are any of the things required of the students to locate a name in the map, for example, River Niger, immediately across here, before the distributors, all the channels that the river has created to discharge its water in the Atlantic Ocean. You go up. The student has no time to come and waste with that system of the dots and taking first straight line, curve, second time, half straight, half curve, and then you run in Niger Republic. Now, sketch. You need to practice it when you go, when we dismiss at home. Secondly, it will be necessary for us to know the location of Nigeria, the position. It is positioned within Africa, in West Africa. Your atlas, take out your atlases and check the position of Nigeria. But the area I would like all of us to know is the location. You have for the positioning. You have seen the position in relation to the continent of Africa. Then, what will help us in the location is the latitude and longitude, which is very necessary. Okay, what is longitude? Yes, the line that is vertical around from the North Pole, you are partially, but you missed a point there. It is that line goes vertically. Ozoemelam. What is a prime meridian? Correct. Value it. Value the prime meridian. You are correct. Longitude 0 degree. But through which town in West Africa does the prime meridian pass? Good. Accra, Ghana. Then, from this 0 degree is Nigeria located in the east of the Greenwich meridian or the prime meridian, or in the west? From the observation, you are correct, because the left of that line is west this. What is important for us now is to know that Nigeria does not start its location from 0 degree, but somewhere in the west. Three degrees. Is that 3 degrees longitude, 3 degrees written in that form correct? The answer from the class is no. They must attach east or west of the Greenwich meridian. Here we have east. In between that, 15 degrees east. For the latitude, we have 4 degrees north of what? The cage. You have tried, let another person try. North of latitude north. North of the equator, which is south of Nigeria. The 0 degrees lat. North. Bordering in the north, though it's high. 14 degrees north. So that is the location of Nigeria, the position from the observation and our surrounding countries, which you have to know. In the west, Benin Republic. Though it is spelled like Benin, we pronounce it Benin. Republic. In the north, Niger. Niger Republic, Cameroon, Chad. Very large body of water in the south, which is the Atlantic Ocean. What we are in now is, Nigeria is a very large country. And in relation to square kilometers, it's around 923,700 square kilometers covering. But there are differences in the distance from the south to the north and from the west to the east. I give you that as an assignment. Go and find out from your textbook the distance, the difference in the distance from the south to the north and from the east to the west. But Nigeria emerged as a country. Emerged as a country after so many transformations of states. Right from 1914, you know what happened when Lugard and the others did. So, rundown of the political divisions of Nigeria is that Nigeria came into existence in the year I've already mentioned to you in 1914, with the amalgamation of the North and the Southern territories. From there, we had, in 1960, what really happened? Joseph answered that question. When did we get independence in Nigeria? In what year? In what year did we get independence? You are correct, 1960. To you, Francis, when did Nigeria become a republic? Then let us try to mention some outstanding dates when Nigeria was being divided, either in states or regions. Came from regions to states. In 1960, independence of Nigeria, record it, take note of that. Many of you were not born then. 1963, Nigeria became a republic, a republican country. In 1951, Nigeria was divided into 3 regions: Northern region, Western region, and Eastern region. While in 1987, Nigeria had 19 states. 1987. While in 1991, Nigeria had 30 states, while in 1996 we had 36 states, including Abuja. Since then, we have not divided Nigeria and other states before. Then answer these questions. Okando, come to the board and make sketch. I give you only half a minute to draw it. You have tried, another person to try. The other student, Ikechi, come and give us the lines that make it possible to locate Nigeria in terms of longitude and latitude. So you have tried. Ebere, what is the approximate area of the country called landmass of Nigeria? You got it right. Now, on the political scene, mention when did Nigeria become a Republican country? And the exercise I give you now, take out your notes, sketch the map of Nigeria. I'm going around to see your effort. But as you go home, you try to give more facts about the times of the creation of states in Nigeria and hand in your work tomorrow.